Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Cancer for the month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So this is monthly reading. So let's see your recent past Cancer. Page of Wands, the World, and Four of Wands. Wow. You or your person could be very popular and good looking and handsome. Some cycles are going to be end the world. Four of Wands, reconciliation. You both could be twin flames. It is very positive past. So let's see your feelings towards your person for the month of August. Cancer, your feelings towards your person. Queen of Wands, Seven of Swords, and Page of Pentacles, Nine of Swords. And your person feelings towards you. Nine of Wands, Page of Swords, Trust, the Rebel, the Emperor. I think there are some issues are going between both of you. Nine of Swords and Seven of Swords. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sag, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. I think you are very attracted towards your person and you want to offer something to your person, but I think for some there is no contact between both of you, or having less contact. You are not sleeping at night times. Nine of Swords and Seven of Swords. I think some manipulation, some mind games are going between both of you. You are not very happy with that. Exhaustion, your person also feeling very exhausted. Nine of Wands and mind, Page of Swords. They want to communicate with you. Yes, some communication is going to be happen. Trust. Yes, you both have to trust the process. Knight of Cups. Yes, your person want to offer this cup of love to you, but it is coming. It is slow. Cancer, the Rebel, Emperor. Your person is very honest. I am getting the Emperor is very honest and they want to commit to you, because Knight to Emperor, it is coming but it is slow. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Experience, Three of Wands, reading. Two times Ten of Wands, exhaustion. Yes, there is waiting game going between both of you. You both are waiting for each other to take actions towards each other. Ten of Wands. Yes, I think you both feel very burdened about this connection, because it is giving lot of pain rather than love in this connection, because lot of games, main games. So let's pull some more cards from universe. But Three of Wands, waiting is going, but your person want to offer cup of love to you. The Star, Aquarius, you or your person could be still hoping. Your person is hoping for this connection. And High Priestess, you are trusting your intuition. Hermit, I think you both are not going any action in the starting of August, because the Hermit is thinking rather than taking action. Under the deck, Four of Swords, thinking about each other but not taking any action. So let's pull some more cards from the universe. Four of Cups, the Emperor, and Hanged Man. Yes, your person also spiritually awakening. Definitely you both feel depressed for the missed opportunity with each other. Your person also want to offer this Emperor, and here is Emperor. You both are strong couple. Your person want to offer commitment to you, but it will take time, because you both are waiting for each other to take actions towards each other. That is the issue. I am getting some communication issue. In August you will get communication, because under the deck Wheel of Fortune, things are turning in your favor, definitely, but it will take time, because lot of energies is here. But first this energy is going to be changed, because Wheel of Fortune is here, but it is taking time. Maybe mid August or at the end of the August it will take time, because you both waiting. You are not going to take any action, but you both are in end of the August, you both are in Emperor energy. Then you both automatically will come towards you, and reconciliation will happen. So still your person is hoping for this connection. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.